Have you come across Mizuno.it.com and wondered if it's safe to shop there? You're not alone. The website looks like it sells Mizuno sports gear at attractive prices. But the real question is, can you trust it? I spent some time checking the site and looking for trust signals. Here's what I found. First, the good news. The website uses HTTPS, which means your connection is encrypted. That's something every online store should have. Some website safety checkers also don't flag it as an obvious scam or phishing site. But that's only part of the story. There are also a few warning signs. The website doesn't appear to have much traffic. That's not always bad, especially if it's new. However, low traffic means there aren't many real customer experiences to verify. Some scam detection services also note that the site shares hosting with other low-rated websites. That doesn't automatically make it a scam, but it does raise a few questions. Another thing I noticed is the domain itself. Instead of using the official Mizuno domain, this site uses an it.com subdomain. That's unusual. Many fake online stores use domains that look similar to well-known brands, hoping shoppers won't notice the difference. I also couldn't find many independent customer reviews specifically for Mizuno.it.com. That's another reason to stay cautious. A trustworthy online store usually builds a track record over time with verified customer feedback. So, is Mizuno.it.com legit? Right now, I wouldn't call it an obvious scam, but I also wouldn't say it's fully trustworthy. There simply isn't enough reliable evidence to recommend buying from it with confidence. If you decide to place an order, use a credit card or PayPal if available. Avoid bank transfers or other payment methods that offer little buyer protection. Also, double-check the return policy and contact information before making a purchase. My final verdict? I'd say proceed with caution. The website has a few positive signs, but it also has enough red flags to make me think twice.